Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check iOS is updated and you're signed into the App Store. Next, open Settings, go to Face ID and passcode and ensure iTunes and App Store is enabled. This is why App Store prompts use Face ID. Once done, restart the device and quickly test Face ID on Device Unlock or Apple Pay to confirm core face recognition is functioning before proceeding. Now you tackle account and recognition issues that often break the flow. Sign out of the App Store and sign back in to refresh tokens. This rebinds Face ID to purchases. If recognition is inconsistent, reset Face ID and set it up again so the system relearns your face. Make sure date and time are automatic, Wi-Fi or cellular is stable, and if the problem persists, uninstall iOS app profiles or toggle account settings to force a permission refresh. Finish by eliminating software corruption and account edge cases. Update iOS and allow any pending App Store updates. If needed, reinstall the App Store-related services by signing out, rebooting, and signing in again. If Face ID still fails for purchases, contact Apple ID support to verify two-factor authentication and device approvals. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable or remove apps that force Face ID and then re-enable them. This isolates whether an app's request flow is blocking the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.